Hello, this is Zdenka, and in today's video I'm gonna show you applications which I can't live without as a photographer. It makes my life much easier when I do outdoor shoots. As I am in my studio and soon I will be packing to go outside to do some outdoor photo shoot, I thought I would share these apps with you because these apps are absolutely a must when it comes to planning outdoor photo shoot, or even if you're outside and you want to make sure it goes smoothly without any problems. So let's get quickly to it. Let's go to the first one. Number one application, the most important I always use when it comes to photo shoots, or even when it comes to just regular sport activity or something like that, doing outdoors, is Storm Radar.
When you open up Storm Radar application, you can see your map and exactly what the weather will be like. You can actually see exactly what time it's going to be raining and what time it's gonna stop. It's very useful if you cannot see the clouds, maybe you're shooting in the woods or in the mountains. You look at this and you know how much time you have left until you get that shower.
Number two, my favorite application right now would be the Scout Log.
Once you find that perfect location which you would like to save to your application, all you have to do is take photo of it, just like I'm doing right now. Actually, I was in Toronto the other day, standing in front of Toronto City Hall, so I decided to save it in this application. Took a photo, then I opened up Google Maps. When you open the Google Map application, you have to make sure your location is on, your GPS, so that way when you actually type in a search Toronto City Hall, it will be able to find the actual address for you, and then you obviously save it. You can also type in any other details you want to there. You can add tags or anything very useful. And what I love about it, that you can actually share it with your clients, so you don't have to type it all over in email again. You simply just share it to whoever you want to send it to.
Number three application from the top would be the golden hour. How many times you are planning on doing the photo shoot in this beautiful light, and you know that light is only seriously that 1 hour is golden, and this application will help you to plan just that.
So let's go ahead and open up the application, and you can see that the data is divided into the times, into the hours, and depending on the location you are at right now, you can see exactly what time the golden hour starts and finishes, so you're not wasting any minute of the shoot.
Number four, very important app, is Model Release. You know, you are traveling, you don't want to bring your whole office, or sometimes when you go on the location you don't want to bother with pens and papers and stuff like that. This application, Model Release, has it all. You can do it there and you pretty much won't forget because it's always on your phone.
So let's go ahead and open up the application to check it out. You can decide if you want to save model release, property release, or also a photo release. You can just fill out all the information, add model photo there as well. You can save it to your phone, you can share it. And here I want to mention that all the applications I'm talking about in this video are actually listed in the video description below. So go ahead and check it out. You will find all the links you need to know.
Number five, extremely important application will be LEM Stack. I have to have it in my phone at all times. You know, especially when I'm traveling, I'm bringing my expensive gear with me, or I'm shooting somewhere on the location. You know, you're being very, very careful. I'm watching my stuff, or you're watching your stuff. Something goes missing or somebody steals it. LEM Stack, you will have proof that you have all your stuff. You have everything registered right there.
Let's go ahead and open it up. Here you can register serial number of your camera, lenses, and other equipment you might have. What is cool about it, they have LEM Stack Rescue, which pretty much means they go on black market. They check if your stolen camera hasn't been used. They try to match the serial number. So another application you simply need to have.
Number six, the last application I'm including in this video. I actually admit I'm not using it as much, but I'm including it in the video because I think a lot of people might find it very useful, and it would be the Light Meter Free.
Let's open up the last application. It's got everything you need. You can use it as a camera meter, you can use it as a spot meter. There is actually such a cool feature like a gray card. it's just awesome application. Check it out.
So those were my top 6 favorite applications on the phone right now. I hope you found this video useful. I'm pretty sure you did. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos because I have a lot more up my sleeve. Also, don't forget I have mobile photography contest going on. The link is right there, so click it to find out more. And if you have any questions, comments, or would like to request a video on a certain topic, don't be shy and leave the comment below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao, ahoy!